Substitution. Okay, substitution is rather simple. Let's start with a simple simultaneous linear equations. You can actually see in your textbook, I'm going to use work example 7 as a means to do it. So 7x minus 2y equals to 21, 4x plus y equals to 57. Okay, you may ask me, if we can just use elimination in exams, I don't need to learn substitution. Yeah, but if the question says using substitution method, and you show me elimination method, I will give you 0 marks straight away because you're not answering the question. We are expecting to see substitution method. Vice versa. Okay, if this question says using elimination, you use substitution, bye bye, 0 marks. Okay. Now substitution is very interesting. Okay, you just need to use one of the equations, okay, and make either one of the variables the subject. Okay, let me say again. You choose one of the equations and you make one of the variables the subject. What does it mean, make the variable the subject? Remember in last year when we always say x is equals to, okay, no, let me not use x. Let me use y equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, this here means y is equals to 2x plus 1, right? This also means that y is the subject here. Okay, this means y is the subject. I can manipulate this, and finally I get, okay, and just rewrite it as x is equals to y minus 1 over 2. This is manipulation from last year, and now x has become the subject here. Following me? Okay, following me? Okay, so I repeat again. For this equation, y is the subject here. Okay, I can manipulate this and I change it that x becomes the subject. But the equation is still the same. They are still the same linear equation. If you plot them on decimals, they are both the same lines. There is no crumbs about it. It's just manipulation work here. Okay. Similarly, for this example here, I'm going to choose the second equation to manipulate. So I'll denote my first equation with equation 1. The second one, I'm going to manipulate this. Okay, I want to make y. Should I make y or 4x my subject? Why? Easier. Okay, general consensus, easier. Why? It doesn't involve me, making a division here, so on and so forth. So, to bring 4x over is to subtract 4x from both sides, and you will get 57 minus 4x. This will be my second equation. Okay, so equation 2. Now, with that being said, I will substitute. Okay, so this is where substitution comes in. I will substitute the second equation into the first equation. Something you have done in elimination method. Okay, remember in elimination method, you always find x already or find y. You have one of the variables already. For example, you have x equals to half. Then you sub x equals to half into, let's say, the second equation, right? Similar. Okay, just that now your subject has more variables, but in essence the idea is still the same as what Huish said in the start of the lesson. You want to make two variables into what, convert it into just one variable. Okay, so in this case 2 into 1, so 7x is something I have to leave it there, minus 2y. Y is now 57 minus 4x, so it will be replaced by y. It will replace y, sorry. So it becomes minus 2 times 57 minus 4x. Okay, wait, let me change the color such that maybe y'all can see it better. Okay, so this entire thing here, if you realize, it becomes here. Okay, y is equals to 57 minus 4x. Alex, okay? Okay, same thing, complete the statement. Okay, there's no addition or elimination here. It's just purely substitution. Okay, by this method, we have successfully converted two variables into a one variable equation. Okay, simply continue on. Okay, 2 times 57 is 114. Okay, then this is plus. Remember, your basics of algebra come back already. Okay, there's a minus outside. So minus, this becomes plus. Okay, and finally this is 21. Okay, you can quickly shortcut it and you will get 15x equals to 135. And then x is equals to 9. Okay, so that's step 1. Now step 2 is the same as elimination method. All you need to do is sub. Okay, substitute or sub. Okay, if you write sub, put a dot. Okay, sub x equals to 9 into which equation should I sub into actually? What do you actually not this part, sorry. I will just sub back into 1 lah. I know, 2 or 1. Should I sub into 2 or 1? 2, right? Why? Because easier mah. I already got y is my subject here already. If I sub back into here, I got to manipulate again. For what? Right or not? Okay, so I want to substitute into equation 2, then it can make my life easier. I don't have to write so much things. Okay, y equals to 57 minus 4 times 9. Okay, you can use your calculator, no problem. You get 21. Okay, so therefore x equals to 9, y equals to 21. Or you want to write here or here also can. Okay, so substitution method, the only part that is different is the first step. The second step is the same as elimination method. Okay, but if you realize the idea of both methods is still the same, making a 2 variable equation into a 1 variable equation because we have a second equation. Okay, now I have a question. Can I sub equation 2 into this equation? Let's name this equation 3. Can I sub 2 into 3? Because technically I can sub it, right? I can substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So technically I can also substitute 2 into 3, right? Correct? Yeah. So can I do it? Why not you all try? You all try now. Okay, so try your paper in pencil on the side. Don't show, okay? You try to sub equation 2 into equation 3. Then you see what you get. Okay, then you let me know. Okay, I give you all one minute very quickly. Use a pencil at the side of your notes to do it. Okay, so from what I see, most of you are getting either 57 equals to 57, right? Or sometimes you also might get 0 equals to 0. It's correct. It's not wrong. It's not wrong. It is correct. If you are getting this, right, it means that you are doing it correctly. You are doing your algebra manipulation correctly. But it does not help us. Why? Why do you think it does not help us? Wait, we give other people a chance. Jiaxing, where's Jiaxing? Yes, Jiaxing, you're all the way there. Okay, why do you think, okay, substituting 2 into 3 really doesn't work? Why? It is the same. Yeah, precisely, it is the same. Why? You manipulated equation 2 out of equation 3. Okay? Correct? If you're going to sub back equation 2 to equation 3, it's not going to make sense because you need 2 different linear equations to actually find a solution, right? These 2 are the same line, correct or not? If you plot them, just different subject only, it's the same line. Yeah, the same. So it will not help you at all. You must always use the one you manipulated out from and sub it to the other one that you didn't touch at all. Okay? Okay, so something to learn here. Okay, if you sometimes make some mistakes in terms of substituting the equation wrongly, then you must have substituted back to the original equation, which is a bit waste of effort lah. Okay, I mean